Buenas noches. I'm starting this vlog at 12 in the morning. Only me and Tete would do this, but we just got home from work and we like had a great time with our family, which, sorry, I'm putting on this little tripod. Give me 1 second. Which, by the way, my family is finally as one.
A ver, say hi for the video. Dile hey. No, say hi to the video.
They're wearing their respective colors.
Yeah.
Red and blue. Blanco. Yeah. Like I said, and I mentioned before in the last vlog, my brother and his family from Mexico finally came as one. My brother for the past 2-3-ish years has been going back and forth to go visit his family, and now they're able to come with him to the States. So now we're all here in Alabama. It's so beautiful. It's very surreal. Anyway, so we were here hanging out with them, and then we were like going through our closet. I don't know why Celeste started like decluttering her closet at this hour. But it's good to do it time to time. If you haven't decluttered your house or just a drawer in over 3 months, what are you doing, girly? Go and declutter your home. It's good to take out things because if you have a parent who is an immigrant, I'm pretty sure you have a house full of plants and random things that you don't need. So what me and my sister do is we try to control that in our space, our bathroom, our room. We try to keep it very minimalistic as much as we can. So we're just doing that right now. We started a pile on the floor and we're just listening to some random music. Never. I bought this from Princess Polly. That's so much better. Yeah, when I saw it, I was like, ew. Like, you have like good pieces. That's what I wore from my photo. Yeah. It's like, it's too short. You see what I'm saying? Like, it just cuts me at the wrong place. In my brown section. Yeah, like, you see how I like? Okay, guys, so I woke up really late because last night we didn't go to sleep till like 2. It's 12 o'clock and I'm just doing a quick skincare because I need to get on removing Christmas from the house. Ayer finalmente ya dimos los regalitos de Navidad a mi sobrino Emilio. A mi ahijado Emilio, perdón, se me olvidó. I need to do that as much as I can before I have to go to work. It's actually not cold anymore. When I went outside to get the boxes, it's like humid. It's kind of scary. Oh, and I have this next to me. I finally got my renewed license for cosmetology, and I did some research, guys, and I went on different websites that Google led me to about having a license in Alabama. It just was very confusing. It was very confusing because first thing it said was you have to be an esthetician, you have to have like a license to be a makeup artist here in Alabama, but then on a different website it said like if you work at a makeup counter at a store, you don't need one. So like if you do it for events, you don't need one. But like if you do it including lash extensions, skin treatments, then you do need one, which is like that's an esthetician. The wording was just not the most easiest to understand. Just always ask around and do your research because I have a friend who's actually also coming from Mexico and she wants to do makeup over here because in her pueblito ella también hace maquillaje y está a punto de venirse para vivir acá, and so me pregunto que si cómo le hice yo para hacer todo lo que estoy haciendo acá. And I tried to explain her without overwhelming her, but I also wanted to keep it very real with her because when you have a business in the States, it's not the same as Mexico because over there they don't really give a crap. Like you can sell tacos from your garage and no one's gonna say anything to you. Y acá es diferente. Ooh, I like this SPF. I ran out of my La Roche-Posay and I'm using this one that Verse sent me. And it's tinted so it doesn't look any white casty on me. And talking about helping you guys as MUAs, I am going to do that video of the website. I just need time, guys. Like, I just have not had time to go in my laptop and do all that because I've just been busy. And I've been waking up late, not gonna lie, because I get home from work really late and I'm exhausted. Let's just go get Christmas out of the way because that bothers me. My house is so cluttered with all the plants that my parents put in the house and it's just like overwhelming. My parents are going to Mexico soon, so I can reorganize the house when they leave. I also want to do a perfume video because I have a lot more perfumes that are newer to my collection. I have seen some people ask me for an updated one, so I'm like, yeah, of course. So I'm gonna do that. Use some oil. This is so good. This is Valentino's Dolce Vita. This is so good. So this is my setup right now. The box is lined up. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is take off this stuff over here because it's less chaotic. It's like there's not too much Christmas stuff over there. and work my way over here to the Christmas tree. I made myself a green smoothie too because I have not been eating healthy. It's so hard to eat healthy, guys, when you work at the restaurant. It's just like you always crave cheese de burritos, flautas, and ayer me hice, like I brought lentil soup that my mom made and then I ate flautas on the side. So I'm trying to have a healthy balance in my life, guys, but it's hard. So I managed to get everything in boxes and I have to get ready for work, so that's why I can't finish it properly. I'm glad that I got everything in boxes for the meantime. I have only like 30 minutes to get ready, so let's do it. I've been wanting to do my nails for the longest time. I just never make time for it anymore. I need to go wash my hands actually before I start doing my makeup.
In the afternoon.
I'm
so when he
almost
comes back,
done with
it's just
this.
kind of like,
I'm so ready to
let's
get
hang out for a little
rid of
bit,
it.
or let's watch. Super cool with me, like for life. You know, he's
Cool.
Yeah, like movies, like Ray with my dad. Like there's like chi-chis and stuff. Like, you know, but I think I get my coolness from my dad. Restaurant, and then I went to that sushi restaurant. She worked at Mac too. Stupid myself, and you know I didn't.
Right.
You know,
You weren't
I wasn't
picturing it.
masterminding it.
How's it different having babies or whatever?
Yeah, no, that as well. I really want to see real thing, and I'm not saying really.
Would you have been fine without a wedding?
Kidding.
Were you like
No,
just
me and Karen really told ourselves like, yo, like on a high. You know what I mean? Though, like I absolutely love and I love to talk.
Okay guys, I just got ready for work and I'm at like a couple minutes late. Here's the finished makeup. The fits, you know, very basic. I'm gonna wear a belt and I'm probably gonna eat at work because I didn't get to eat a full meal this morning, so tengo hambre. But yeah, alright, bye. It's been, I think, about a couple days. I don't remember when was the last time I vlogged. And I'm sorry that the vlog didn't pop up on your feed earlier. I just have been so busy this week, and then I get home so late from work that I don't have time to like or want to make time to edit. I'm just exhausted, and right now it's Saturday and I'm really tired and in pain because I cut my finger yesterday at work while making a guacamole, and it hurt so bad when the sharp knife just sliced through my finger, and I saw so much blood and I was just like, oh my gosh. I don't do well with blood, as I have come to figure out. It hurts and it's right where my knuckle bends, so not the funnest. It's on my right hand, which is the best part of it, I guess. But today I'm vlogging because my sister's doing a photo shoot for her business now. If you guys have been following her, she's a pastry chef, and I'm really excited for her because she's been wanting to make like her headshot photos and just her branding a little bit more upscale. So we're gonna go with Kennedy. She's the one that did my photos for my business. So I'm really excited, but we're driving to Birmingham today and we live like an hour and a couple minutes, like 20 minutes away. So it's gonna be a drive and it's raining today and I'm a little scared because we're gonna have to take like a big mama car. We're gonna take the Suburban because she has like a lot of cakes. She made a lot of fake cakes and a couple are real so that she can slice into them in the pictures. But it's gonna be a little nerve-wracking, but todo va a salir bien con el favor de Dios. Nomás hay que manejar despacito. Ahora me estoy cambiando rápidamente porque no tenemos mucho tiempo. My hair anoche lo sequé like right out of the shower, but it got a little wavy because I didn't like completely dry it. I think if I had shorter hair, I definitely would have wavy-ish hair because my hair doesn't dry completely straight. But yeah, I'm just trying to get my outfit together. My sister got me these boots, guys, for Christmas, the Dolce Vita ones, and they're super cute. I just don't know if it's smart to wear them today because I am gonna drive, it's raining, but I want to feel cute and chic, and I want to like dress up when I'm not in a uniform. Quiero aprovechar. No tengo skinny jeans. I don't have any skinny jeans anymore, so I'm gonna have to wear them on top. This looks cute. I mean, I don't know how to feel. I don't know. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I don't know if you can see. I was gonna wear tennis shoes and like comfy clothes, but like this is not comfy. I mean, it's not like the most uncomfortablest outfit. What do you guys think? I don't know. I'm gonna ask my sister. I wish we could take you each, but we can't. So this is all the setup. So Celeste has to bring all this Tupperware and then her cakes and a table. This is what I ended up wearing, guys. I just added a belt and then the boots underneath. And I have my hair in a ponytail right now. And Celeste is gonna have an outfit change over there. So we're gonna start loading everything up. Okay guys, so we're here at the studio and a couple pieces broke, the Celeste's glass stuff, but we're here with Ken and it's pretty big, but there was like a lot of stairs and an elevator, thank God, but we're trying to set up as quickly as possible. Bring this cake. Ok guys, apenas salimos de el estudio y estamos súper sudadas. Era un workout porque hay escalones, si fuera como un edificio de downtown. But she turned out very cute in each picture and I'm really excited. Hey guys! Yeah, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed my week and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Los quiero mucho. Bye! Adios.